It's phenomenal what's taken place here over the last 6 months. We've got data centers 1, 2, and 3 that are very much in the process of being completed within the next month and a half.
I think it's awesome. We're all striving a little bit for the environment, something in Canada that we really want to protect, and having a company that really strives for green energy, it makes us all really proud.
In the coming months, we will have Prince George running, we will have Mackenzie running, so we will have tons of machines mining.
The major goalposts, of course, are energization. It's all about energization, and we are targeting to have, as I said, that work completed by the third quarter of this year. We're very much on track to do that. We track this very closely from a design and construction perspective to ensure that we are meeting the needs of the investors and the long-term strategic plan for Iris Energy.